Hi guys, for today we're gonna cook easy salmon recipe. We're gonna just bake our salmon, but I'm gonna show you how to cook, prepare an easy salmon recipe. Okay, and this is PJ AZURIN, and if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we have salmon, of course, and then we're gonna put the garlic on top. Okay. Crushed garlic. Crushed garlic. Then we're gonna have butter on the side. So we have garlic powder. Lemon pepper. Curry powder. Tumeric. Ginger powder. Carrots. So we'll have lemon juice and put it on the salmon. And we will put inside the oven for 350 Fahrenheit and 16 minutes. Okay? After 10 minutes, we can put the cheese on top. Okay, so that we will be able to melt the cheese. Okay, so this is our baked cheesy salmon. Alright? Let's eat! Come on! Tara, tara, tara! Hey guys, yun, sana nagustuhan nyo ang aking easy salmon recipe. You can cook it within 15 to 20 minutes and hope you like it. Tune in for more cooking videos. This is PJ AZURIN. Bye bye. God bless.